The balikbayan privilege po is for those who became US naturalized citizens or mga former Filipinos po. You can stay in the Philippines visa-free for 30 days. That's for all US passport holders. For for more than 30 days but less than 1 year, you can avail of the balikbayan privilege. Balikbayan visa-free privilege. You won't need a visa, a Philippine visa, to stay in the Philippines for long. And all you have to do is show your US passport to the immigration officer as well as your Philippine birth certificate or old Philippine passport. Also, the spouse and also the child po can also avail of the 1-year visa-free balikbayan privilege as long as they are traveling with the former Filipino. The child must just bring their birth certificate to prove that they are the child of the former Filipino national, and for the foreign spouse naman po, just the marriage certificate, just to prove that you are married to the person or to the balikbayan who is availing of that privilege. With that po, you can stay up to 1 year in the Philippines kahit po hindi na sabay-sabay umuwi with the spouse and the child. Hindi na po kailangan exit na kasama yung former Filipino. Pero pag enter po sa Philippines, they must be together po when traveling.